On August 23, 2011, there was a fairly strong earthquake in Virginia, which was felt strongly in the Washington, D.C. area, and it caused some damage to some of the country's best-known monuments and memorials. The Washington Monument, for instance, had some cracks, and some pieces of the stone were actually broken off the monument itself. So an inspection team has been working this past week to take a look at the Washington Monument and to make sure that it gets the repairs that it needs. So these scenes show some engineers who are actually rappelling off the side of the Washington Monument, looking for cracks, and they're also taking photographs and documenting all of the damage that occurred to the Washington Monument. Here at the Washington Monument, there are plenty of television trucks here to record the scene as workers work at the very top of the Washington Monument.